Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Presiden ubarim jong ka US, Donald Trump, ula Takraiñ Presiden Joe Biden, haka porba udang yalap Iowa, haka singiling khusnam kabalai, jong ki jingalek presca haka Capitol Hill. Haba ajing keren ki nong kersian jong Donald Trump, ula ong, hato pinget, bakal kutang haka Thma bak Pyrthei baar, habangi Peit ya kene ka jinglong jong Joe Biden. Donald Trump, ula benrap ru, ba ula kwa ban yarap ya kiwei kiri, ban khanglat ki naki Thma. Ula batai susu baki to ki nong kersian jong kiba don hapatok namar ka jinga ki jong ki ha Capitol Hill kidai ki bahaban shooting ka ya Joe Biden knang bakin light na patok ka jingkeli kalong hato Donald Trump udang yo ban yakun ya ka next election namar kat kum ki jingti balayo lum ula syak pengat palat khandai photli ki crime case lani ki comes new.
And I want to help other countries. I'll keep them out of wars. I'll threaten them. I'll do threats. I'll do whatever you have to do. Like I did with Macron, with the wine and the champagne. I'll do whatever you have to do. They were going to put a big tax. You know that story. We're going to put a big tax. I told it yesterday. And it's funny. They're good stories because you can do so much without even doing anything. For 2 months, my people worked on it. They couldn't get him to stop. Top people. But they couldn't get it. He was going to tax all American companies doing business in France. Emmanuel, he was a nice guy, but he likes France, and I like the USA.